So one of my favorite events in New Baltimore, in the winter for sure, is the Christmas tree lighting. You get Santa Claus that comes in on a fire truck. The drone show, when they do the Christmas tree lighting in New Baltimore, it's unbelievable. I want to show you some of the video and pictures we got from the drone show.
Beginning to look